time. Cat, it's time. Time for more mail. Get some content. Nomadic Hippie.
Nomadic Hippie.
Okay.
Add contact to your channel, Nomadic.
Cousin Eddie is right behind me in my RV where I live a very happy life. And I decided to pull in here real fast on my way to South Florida and see, hey, do you got any mail? Because it's possible I haven't been home like in 3 weeks. And lo and behold, I did. Lots of junk mail, which you can't escape the junk mail, but also you get packages. And this package happens to come from Samsung. Now, I didn't order anything. This is a Samsung package. But I have a feeling I know what it is. I have a friend in Korea that works for Samsung, and I got a Samsung Galaxy Note Ultra 20 5G, whatever it is, I don't know. Some $1,300 crazy phone, right? And I thought to myself, and I did a video about it, stating that, wow, for those people out there that spend like $1,300 for a phone, you really don't get that much in a box. You get the phone, a charging brick, and a cable. That's it. And I thought to myself, wow, what about headphones? What about music? What about, I mean, yeah, sure, we all use Bluetooth headsets. As a matter of fact, I got the Samsung Life beans, the beans that go in your ear. I got those, and I use those all the time. But I always thought to myself, you know, those should have been included in the box for $1,300, right? Am I right? So I contacted one of my friends that work at Samsung and said, you know what? Where are my EKGs? Previous Samsung devices came with like EKG headphones in the box. In the box. Did you hear a noise? Did an engine start, Kat? She said, yes, an engine started. I'm assuming that's what's in here. No guarantee. Could be something else altogether. I'm also waiting for a package from IdleCam. I'm supposed to be getting some stuff from IdleCam. I contacted Jason over there, letting him know that I need some stuff that never came with my IdleCam, or that did come with my IdleCam, was not operatable. Operatable. All right, it looks like I probably don't need my scissors. I think I can just rip into this package very easily. And I'm not going to peek what it is, but it's very small. And you know what it feels like? Headphones. Anything else in here? Any letters? Wow. Okay, so what kind of headphones are these? I'm assuming EKG. Let's just go and AKG. There they are. AKG headphones. So thank you, Samsung, for being so understanding. I mean, it's not like I'm really probably going to use them. I just, you spend that kind of money on a telephone, it should have more accessories than a charging brick. That's just me. That's just me. So let's slide these out, and yeah, there's actually more in here than just these EKG headphones, and they are micro USB Type C, so you can plug them right into where you would charge your phone. Nice. They're nice. They're EKGs. That's what normally comes with Samsung devices. And then also in this little black thing you get, ooh, that's kind of nice the way they do this, numerous ear tips to fit your ears properly. Pretty sweet. So yeah, I want to thank Samsung for, is there anything else in here? Nope, that's it. Just headphones and buds. But you know what? They listened. They listened. So here's my advice to you. Did you buy a Samsung Galaxy or a S20 Ultra 5G, or just the regular 520 5G non-Ultra Note phones? If you did and you didn't get anything, my advice to you, fire off an email, fire off a you know what, a Twitter message to Samsung. Say, hey, I could really use some headphones with this. Why they weren't included, I have no idea. More than likely, you'll get a pair. I'm guessing. There's no guarantee. I can't promise. I have a actual friend that works there, so but from my understanding, just contact them. They're a big company. They don't mind sending out a headset, I wouldn't think. They're worth billions of dollars, right? All right, anyway, I'm just goofing around, Samsung. I thank you so much. Thanks everybody that helped me out in your amazing business, and I'm gonna give these a shot. Sometimes I just don't feel like putting in the buds. Sometimes it's nice to go wired. Until the next time, I love you guys. Thanks for checking out my video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, everybody.